I want to remark on the fact that it's not raining or thundering, yet there's lightning. Like that. It's really scary. What the heck? Dude. It's freaky. Like, I feel like if I go outside right now, I'll get struck by lightning. That doesn't usually. Yikes! Doesn't usually have thunder. It's freaking scary. You can see the lightning in the clouds.